I have owned a very bulky Nintendo Switch dock, and it doesn't fit into my carrying case. There were also third-party Switch docks. They are expected to be the ultimate travel companion for Nintendo Switch owners, but they may damage your Nintendo Switch. I meant the risk is low, but still there. They promote that compact and stylish design. But they never mentioned that you have to bring an HDMI cable. The HDMI cable is what you must use, so the ONELINK realizes one cable to connect your Nintendo Switch to the big screen. Its connectors are stainless over molding by gold-plated and overhang port. Lengthen and strengthen protection at bending connection, and the cable outer has a fabric jacket weave layer. These will make it super durable and usable for a long time. ONELINK will surely become the first ultimate travel companion for Nintendo Switch owners. It truly achieves portability and simplicity. Come and try. Let's connect Nintendo Switch to the big screen. Plug the HDMI end into the external TV screen, and we can use the USB-A port or USB-C port from the big screen for the power supply. Of course, you can also choose the official Nintendo power adapter. Then connect the USB-C to your Nintendo Switch. Simple and easy, no dock is needed. ONELINK can support 4K at 60Hz USB-C to HDMI video connection. PD port is a PD fast charging protocol that can support 100-watt reversal charge, so the ONELINK can not only connect to a large screen with one cable to Nintendo Switch, but also support PC, Mac, iPad, and Android phone, etc. ONELINK will surely become one of your favorite Nintendo Switch accessories. In addition to the Nintendo Switch in the handbag, you can simply put ONELINK in it. It is definitely your first choice of the best travel companion for the Nintendo Switch. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for backing us, and this cable is available for worldwide delivery now.